morning. Good morning, teacher. My person profile. My school is Senati. My teacher is Cynthia Guadalupe Zamora. My name is Margarita. My last name is Garcia Gonzalez. My trace is Participation Books 29, San Pablo de la Luz. On my very first I was there. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is tacacho con cecina. My city is Iquiros. My story is Loreto. My zip code 16000. My country is Peru. My home numbers is 935598029. Thank you.